Alright, here we are again. We have a lot of these for parts and repairs. These ones are missing the battery cover. I don't know if this works or not. I haven't tested. Scarloid shell. This one I don't know. A talking Thomas, I guess. This is a motorized Thomas, comes with the motor inside. Untested. None of these work. This one comes with the motor and everything. I think this was for remote control Percy. Don't know if the battery terminals are okay. I barely have time to check them all. This one has a remote control Stanley, and here is seal handle. I think this was part of remote control. I think maybe not. I don't know. It's I think I don't know if it's motorized or not. Salty, no motor. This type of, I think, with Ari or Bert. Percy, missing the face. Bulgy. I don't know if the parts are in there, but everything is for parts. Emily. Bolstrov. I'm gonna post more. I have a lot of boxes and a full garage. Check the link in the description.